guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Well, this is Nidhi, and in today's video we're gonna do this nice foxy eye makeup look which is in trend and everyone is doing this, and obviously that's the reason even I wanted to try this and share you guys how you can achieve this look. Well, this was actually requested by my school friend, so Aditi. She told me that Nidhi, I want to see you in that high pony and that foxy eye makeup look. Well, honestly guys, this eye makeup look has been in trend from a very long time. It just that it was called something else. Some people call it smudged winged liner and stuff like that. Actually, the purpose of this eye makeup is that it makes your eyes look much more elongated and like this, as if like I've got some eye surgery done. So yes, so that's the purpose of this look. It makes your skin, your face looks so much more uplifted. So as you can see, the eye makeup is going towards this direction of our eyebrows, and of course when you put your hair into this high ponytail, then the face starts looking more I don't know the word, sorry. So it just looks like this. So anyways guys, let's get started and learn how to create this look. And guys, before we start, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet. So yes, now let's start. Alright, so step number one, we'll be doing our eyebrows. Our eyebrows needs to be like really uplifted. So just brushing them upwards. Well, I saw a lot of artists using like a gel or a soap bar to make sure that their eyebrow stays in place. So that's another technique that you can do. You can use a soap bar meant for eyebrows, not the soap bar which you use to wash your hands with. So a soap bar, and then just brush your eyebrows upward. Well, now for filling the eyebrows, I'm using this palette from Makeup Revolution. Now for this look, we really want nice shaped eyebrows. Both of them look completely different right now. I definitely need to fix this. Like, this is how I want the second eyebrow to look, but it looks very round from the starting itself. So we're gonna fix it. Okay, now I'm taking this Maybelline concealer. You can take any concealer, but make sure it's a little lighter than your skin shape, because we needed to highlight this area, right? And I'm taking this flat brush. So this is what will help our eyebrows look more shaped. Okay. I could have actually gone with a lighter shade, but I just found this concealer right here, so I was like, let me just pick this up. But yeah, a shade lighter than this would definitely do. They still look slightly different, but that's how they are. I can't help it. I wish I could do it like this and shape them and fix them wherever I wanted. I wish if it was possible. But let's move on to the second step, which is priming our eyelids. Very important. Using the same concealer actually right now. With the beauty blender, I will just blend it all over my lid. I can't find my loose powder right now, like right here where I'm sitting. I'll have to get up and get it. So I'm just using this eyeshadow here to fix my concealer on the eyelid. Now I'm taking this blending brush by Real Technique, and for my crease I'll be using this really light brown shade. This just to contour our eyelid, otherwise the eye looks very flat. we don't have to apply anything on our lid right now, just contouring my crease. But now comes the part of creating those eyes. So now for this look, you need either a brown pencil or a brown gel liner, whatever you prefer. I don't have a brown gel liner, so I'm taking this brown pencil. Well, you can do this look in black also, but so taking this brown pencil from PAC, I'm just lining this lower lash line, not completely, but only till here. Center of the lower lash line. Now I'm taking this angular brush, taking some color on the angular brush. So, you know, if you have a gel liner, then it's easy. You can just dip your brush and take the product, take the color onto it. If you don't have it, this is what you can do from your pencil. Now we'll create that wing, and this wing will be joining the lower lash line, okay? So this is how it should go. Don't worry about how sharp this line should look right now, and if it's thick, not thick, don't worry about that. We're gonna take care of all those things a little later. So yeah, so this is your first step, and then now you will join this to your lid here. Again, we won't go all the way to the inner corner. We'll just join it here, somewhere in the middle. Like creating a wing liner, but like a half wing liner. It's just thick on the outer corner, and the inner corner is very, very neat. Okay. Taking this blending brush, and we'll just start blending this color. Don't apply too much pressure, just do it with very, very light hands. Going back with that angular brush, and again I have some product in that angular brush. I am again applying it on this liner. Now we need this smudging brush, a pencil brush. Smudge all of this. I'm taking a brown eyeshadow like this, taking some product on my pencil brush. And now we will be blending this color on top of this. So basically we just want like a really nice blended effect on this liner. So just blending it again. It's not too complicated, don't get confused, it's pretty easy. Going back to my angular brush and this pencil, taking the product, the cream product, and again we're gonna line this because it has to be dark, and then slowly it should start getting lighter and smudged. So this is the portion which we want really dark. Once I clean this up, then you girls will understand how nice this looks. It looks messy in the beginning, but don't worry. Now I'm taking this black kohl pencil and I am applying it in the tight line. Now comes the important part of cleaning it and making this very sharp, because this is the angle we want to achieve, like going towards our eyebrow. So I'm taking a Q-tip, taking this Garnier Micellar water. I'm just cleaning the edges, making it look very sharp. So now I'm taking this Tarte concealer, and what I'll be doing is I am applying the concealer here under the eyes. Okay, I need to do this lower lash line again. And also I realized I still have to complete my other side. Well, taking the angular brush and again the same step of getting the color on the bristles, and now I'll be just lining my lower lash line. So I'm joining this lower lash line with this eyeliner. Right, let me just complete the other side and then we'll see how our eyes look. I might add a little bit of pigment here on the lid if I feel it looks too blank, but trust me, once our lashes come in place, our lashes are lifted, the entire look will look more complete. Guys, either you can just leave your eyelids like this, or else what I'm doing is I'm just taking this pigment from this brand called C2B. I really don't know this brand, guys, but I just got this pigment from somewhere. So this is how it looks. Just dipping my brush in the pigment, and what I'm doing is just applying a little bit here, and you're gonna blend all that. So the reason why I'm doing this is because my lid was looking too white, powdery, so that's the reason I decided to just dust some pigment here on the lid. It looks much more neater now. Now let's just go on to our lashes. Okay. So guys, actually let me just complete the rest of my face and then we'll come and finish our eyes and show you guys the final look. So guys, I'm back after completing my face. I added some blusher, bronzer, highlighter, and also tied my hair into this high ponytail. And also, if you can spot the difference between the two eyes, just see again. Can you spot some difference? Well, I have extended this inner corner liner here. So yes, we didn't have a liner in the inner corner, right? So this is what we're going to do on the other side. So if you have a gel liner, it becomes much more easier to do this step. But since we don't have a brown gel liner, what we're going to do is, again, we're taking the pencil. With the gel liner, obviously it looks more darker and it looks much better is what I feel. I think I should have bought a brown gel liner for this look. But anyways, we're going to do this with the pencil and we're going to achieve this look. Yes. So yes, taking this angular brush, again some product here, and now I'll be making that small triangle here in the inner corner. Guys, quite happy with this. So guys, we are done with our look. What do you guys think about it? Do let me know in the comment section below, and don't go anywhere without subscribing to my channel. And also guys, so if you recreate this look, you know what to do. Tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is getgorgeouswithnidhi. I hope you enjoyed this extended eye makeup look. Well, foxy eyes is what this makeup look is called. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Yes, it looks a little complicated, but trust me, it's not. It's just about applying the product, blending it, applying it, blending it. So you just have to get that blending right, and it is pretty easy. Don't worry, practice will make you perfect. So keep practicing, keep watching this video again and again till the time you don't get it right. Yes, I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Till then, you know what to do. Take care of yourself and take care of your skin. I'll see you guys very, very soon.